What's up, everyone? Today we're brazing and we're making campfires at the same time. So yeah, I have no heat barrier, so we're just using this dog bowl that was lying around.
I love this company, dude, because look at that.
No way, I didn't notice that. So yeah, NAVAC. Very interesting battery design with the secondary charger port or whatever that could be. Anyway, we are down in the basement at the furnace and the coil, so we get this coil braze very easy peasy, no problem. And then, yeah, we get it wired up. This is like temporary wiring, although we're just leaving it like that. But yeah, NAVAC, pretty underrated company. It takes a vacuum down to like 500 microns in just a few seconds. It's pretty insane. But yeah, this one, we got it going. I shut it off and I got it down to 600 microns. 600 is enough for me. And so yeah, we're finishing up opening the valves, except the condenser doesn't turn on. Why is that? The fuse popped, so I replaced the fuse. It was during installation when I cut the wires to install it. So yeah, here it is and it's running. Also guys, I have merch, and if you guys like it, send me your sizes. I'll open up a shop soon.